Unboxing. Unboxing a kiddie meal.
Today's vlog is unboxing a kiddie meal. Ano sa'yo, ate? Oops.
It's
Ano
like
meron
you.
Mga bata. Meron akong...
Here,
Meron kang?
find a book.
Oh, I have book too. It's the same.
The same book.
Pop and
Hound.
Pop and Hound. What else?
You have a yogurt. You have a yogurt.
And I got one too. And then
The
a fries.
And then the cheeseburger.
I thought you copied me. Is it? I have French fries too, and the cheeseburger.
And now we have to get our drinks.
And the cheeseburger.
And here you have a toy. You can answer. It says, what's
Oh,
the
yeah.
clubhouse name around? Something like that.
So
they
initially-
didn't give us a ketchup.
Oh, you
Oh,
missed
we have
that,
to run it over there.
ate. So initially, this box is not just a waste, but you still have to play with it at the secret club. You can, I don't know, read it, write it here. What's the coolest clubhouse name around? What's the coolest clubhouse name around? What's your answer?
I don't know. It said here you have to go scavengers hunt first.
Oh no way, we have to go hunting first. I don't know. Let's do that
Create
later.
your own clubhouse. You
Oh
have to
yeah,
create your own clubhouse.
using this paper
Yeah.
bag.
And
Are you
here,
happy?
you have- I said I'm loving it. Here we are here. McDonald's with Black Cafe. It's a dine-in opens 6 a.m.
Sa labas pala yung binabasa niya. We are having
We are having
nice-
a happy meal because we are a happy
happy meal, happy kid ever. Beside us or the other side is the counter.
Yeah, it's game on.
Game on. And
It's just
you can see the difference. Okay, it's eating time. Enjoy your
I will
meal.
eat first my yogurt. This is a yogurt in a tube. You will see this is a yogurt in a tube.
I hope you will like our yogurt. It is our first time eating yogurt.
This is the kids meal burger. It's just like a regular size of Jollibee burger.
Actually, this is only 2 bites and you're done.
This is the
Bites and
burger.
you're done.
I will show you. I can open it for you. It's unboxing.
Nag-unbox ka sa
Here is the burger.
What's inside of your
This is the
burger?
burger. I have a small patty and a cheese with some pickle. I told them not to put onion, but they
I
still
know you
put
like
onion.
Okay, you can just remove it from there. And what else is the
Or
price
maybe
tag?
the one that you have is no onion.
Check it, I don't know. Cheeseburger, no onion.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you gave me the wrong order.
We are
Oh,
exchanged.
see? See, it's pandemic. Joke lang. Okay, and
So, this is
that's
with the onion.
Okay, tell me, what's the difference of onion and no onion? It's just the same, okay?
It's just the same, but this one is no onion.
Yeah, that's our vlog for today. I'm going to
And we
try
have,
this one. If it's yummy. What do you have there? A fries? How many fries you have?
I don't know. I have to count the fries. Do I have to count the fries for
Of
you
course.
in
And I have
front
to
of
count
the
my
camera?
fries too. It's unboxing day.
I will get some ketchup. I'll be right back. And a drink.
And the drinks, please.
And a drink too. We only have a kiddie drink.
No
See?
ice, please.
I don't know which drink do you like.
I like the Coke original, please.
Original? Okay. No ice.
No
alright.
ice.
I'll be back.
Bye-bye. Diyan lang siya kukuha sa kabila. Ayan yung ice chaos. Wala lang, napagkatuwaan lang namin kumain dito. Ay, shucks. Burn ng aking fest. Init kasi. It's nice to be a kid sometime. I'm not eating yogurt, but since they gave me, I have to. Let me try again. My muta. Let me try again because I'm lactose intolerant. Maasim. Maasim. Matamis. I'm almost done. Hindi po kasi ang init po kasi sa labas. So, hinahanap namin yung park na puntahan namin. Pupuntahan na namin, but we cannot find the way we are going. And then it's too hot. It's really, really hot outside. So, we passed by McDonald's. McDonald's, thank you. We passed by this McDonald's store. So we decided to come inside and have a bit of actually drinks. We are talking about the drinks, have very, very cold drinks. But instead of taking that drinks, we got this kiddie meal. It's not a plan. It's an unexpected decision from us. And this is what I'm waiting for cook.